Hello everyone, my name is Lara Treasury and I'm a trader for more than 5 years. So I trade binary options and try different platforms and tools for this. And today I decided to try Pocket Option. This is one of the most popular platforms, so I just want to today share my experience, get comfortable, and let's make a really cool results. So what I'm going to do today is just going to earn some money through having only 100 bucks. So, and I will be working here through the Pocket Option platform, and I hope that you will also like it, because I will be showing you some preferences by working on here. So, and let me tell you all this stuff. I'm up to my first trade, so let me show some of preferences through walking around all the raw currency ratios. So, let's try. The second one here pair showing us some main graph down all the quotes, and I'm going to walk through every kind of ratio. So just walking along. And I need all the purposes here because I just want to have my time to time, and I want to be in time with every kind of pair. So this is the interesting kind of stuff by walking around here and having the graph down, and then a small small pull up of the stories. So I think that we'll go back to this one and let me see the last one. So yes, there are also some interesting stories, but I think that all the candle stuff will be going on through the first panel of the Katlin channel. Yes, so it's also pretty risky kind of story, and let's go to this variation. And yes, after this Hermie we are going on pretty downstairs, as you can see. But it's also a very interesting story just to have this candlestick triggering us. So let's see what will be going on here, and I see that, and you also see this amount of $90. So I just prepared $90 here. So let's click here the lower button by having the time expiration for 30 seconds. Let's go. So perfect guys, and now you see we're having a little bit more, and I think that I'll show you all the pack, show you how this is perfectly combined here on this chart. So I'm using here the combination of Katlin channel and the marker, and it is situated on this very button, and if you click here you will see the number of indicators right over here. And you can delete them because I've just set up it for you and I've done it before. But if you want something more, you can switch on the CCI, for example, here. Okay, and try to go and work with the tree of indicators here. So what else is pretty useful here? The stuff, yeah. The stuff with the chart type here is also one of the best, because it is pretty useful if you used to work with the liner chart. So you see it is also pretty well preceded here, and by the way, you can work with it and you can work with the bars with the Heikin Aishi, but as far as it seems to use to work with the candlestick chart. So I'm going to work with this very useful combination, and I'm going to leave this CCI. I really hope that you will like it also. So as far as for the time expiration, you can switch here the switch expiration mode, and you will see how it's perfectly represented in time in terms of the time UTC here, and also guys, you can manage the way you want to use your time expiration. So guys, I decided to use 30 seconds here because the market is showing me not so great volatility, but I like it anyway. So you can combine all your stuff here in terms of the indicators panel, and this is the indicators button and the time expiration here. So the next thing here is working with the currency ratio. The year of currency ratio will pretty shown here. And if you click here, you can see that I'm having here some of my favorites pairs which I'm using here for today. And if you click here on the stars, you'll be using it here pretty easily. Guys, I want to quickly remind you that right now I actually developed my Telegram channel with all basic information about trading. There I give all the basic materials about trading, answer your questions, and also conduct university sessions for my subscribers. My subscribers already made a really great results with me, so if you want to join us, just follow the link in the description under this video and let's develop it together. So right now we'll continue. So okay, the next thing here is just trying to use some of your favorites, like some of your favorite pairs, and let's switch on, for example, this very star, and you will see that and now one pair is here switched on in this row of the currency pairs. Okay, so guys, that's it. And you can also some cryptocurrencies if you want it, and commodities, stocks, and indices, is so on and so on and so on. Some of phrases is a useful moment here, and you see it's really easy to work with some part of the whole stuff to use. So let me see what's the next, and let me go through another kind of story. So let me go and see some other perfect trades. Okay guys, so I'm seeing the CI showing us some tendencies inside its corridor, and the marker is going pretty downstairs, and the Keltner is a little bit immovable. It will be slip in terms of the weight, trying to work with down, higher or lower trends. Okay, this is not a great start here to work with this. So yeah guys, this one was the greatest start, but I'm so afraid everything here will be gone from this first part of the chart. Maybe I will have some of my earnings here. I'll be using here only $150. So okay, $150 are going here, and I have all this stuff in terms of the conversion shown me, and the marker and the CCI are the sisters indexes here, working on like sisters here. But guys, I'm pretty afraid I need to work here by combining all the stuff. And the Keltner here showing us all the tendencies inside the first part of this channel. Okay guys, let's work here. I'm pretty good guys. So see, I'm having just a little bit more than $300. And the next thing here is going on through another kind of currency. So yeah, this was pretty good. A really interesting kind of story, and by working with the last currency pair. So let me see if there's some interesting kind of stuff. And the stuff here is just going on inside the Keltner channel, and it's been a new consolidation here. Maybe I think that there is some candlesticks which are going to grow here for a long period. So let me see some minutes later. Okay. The euro is against the GBP, so this is what is going on here. So, okay, I see that the whole tendencies are going here rightly up. And there's some touches here which are triggering me a lot, but I will be working with them. So I think that I should try to this kind of pair, and the next thing is here to consider. So guys, you see, I'm really afraid because CI is going to touch its highest high of the corridor, and the market is showing me some interesting stuff which is going like until the period of 70. So what do you think then? The Keltner is going pretty upstairs, but it's not really even hiring. And you see all the stuff are here behind, I mean about the highest high of the Keltner. So the next thing here, I think I should try this kind of stuff, definitely. So let me see, I will be working here with $290. this kind of way. And anyway, I should put my mount. And yes guys, I think that I will try my best by clicking the lower button. Let's go. So guys, a really great way, and by the way I see that I'm having a greater profit here as far as you see, and I just want some money. So I see that I managed to walk and have this really great amount. And I think that it's not so bad for a girl. So the next thing here is just trying to find some purposes along with the next currency. So just click on it, and what I'm having here's the opposite situation in the comparison with the previous one, and I think that it would be having here is the higher button and with having some kind of stuff here. But also I think it's kind of risky situation because it's just touching here the lowest level of the Keltner channel. But over here I'm having only this very part, and let me see if it's working pretty good and now kind of stuff here. Okay, now I see some divergence along with the marker on CCI, and you see we've just clicked the CCI here and it's working for us. So perfectly. And I think that I need it so bad. Now it's one of the best helpers here, along with this very current strategy. So guys, how do you think? I think that as far as I'm having here the afternoon hours, it's also showing us some tendencies to go a little bit sleepy. So guys, let me see what was here. I just forgot that I had all this history here. I'm having the whole history of moving of prices. Okay, I'm having some tops, the bottoms, here's the double top, and I'm having it right now. Okay, what I'm going to do here, just again a double top. I just shouldn't call it in some cases like the head and shoulders pattern, because it's not greatly represented, but I should call it anyway. I should give it a name like that. So what I'm going to do here, just again combining some preferences here while working along with this very highest high of the Keltner channel by touching only these bars, by mentioning the touches of the candlesticks. So I'm having fallen star here, and that's one of those triggers for me, and you see that this market is going a little bit sleepy. So I'm going to move on to another kind of pair because I'm becoming nervous a little bit. So guys, here I'm just considering the chart and waiting a really good trade by deciding to skip in the last seconds. So yes guys, I will be working here and I will be seeing some stuff here because I said that there are some tendencies to go a little bit down. So let me go here with a high button. So write in the comments if you really like the strategy and which platforms to check the next, and like, subscribe to my channel to receive more information about trading, and see you soon. Bye bye.